Land Rover key fobs typically house a CR2032 coin cell battery. To begin, determine your fob type. Models up to 2022 often use a plastic seam requiring a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the halves apart. Insert the tool into the seam and twist carefully to separate the case. Newer fobs, 2023 plus, usually have Torx screws, T6 or T8. Use a precision screwdriver of the correct size to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, the case should come apart easily. Be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components. Remember to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. With the key fob case open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side with the plus sign should be facing up, as shown in the internal diagram. Use plastic tweezers to gently pry the old battery out, avoiding metal tools to prevent short circuits. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the key fob case, tightening any screws gently. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Land Rover. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the case is properly sealed.